I'm SUNDIRAKUMAR.
Hello, I'm SUHANTHINI, daughter of MANUGAR.
Hi, my name is JEYASANGAR.
Hi, I'm VISHALLNI, MAHENDRAN.
And hi guys, I'm SUBRAMANIAM and today we're going to present about our BI project.
So today I'm going to explain about the introduction about mental health. Mental health is a condition of well-being in which a person recognizes his or her own abilities, can cope everyday stress, and works productively and give his or her community. When someone's resources and coping abilities are stretched beyond their limits, their mental health suffers. Working long hours in tough conditions and caring for chronically ill relatives are two instances of typical obligations. Unemployment, underemployment, and poverty can have a negative impact on a mental health. If you have a mental health difficulty, your thinking, mood, and behavior may be altered over the course of your life. Many elements play a role in mental health issues. Genes and brains are examples for biological influences. Trauma and abuse are examples of life experiences, and mental health issues run in a family.
There is no health without mental health. Especially during this pandemic, most of our youngsters or even students go through mental breakdown with sleepless nights. This can even cause suicidal thoughts, severe distress, high level of perceived stress, high level of anxiety, and severe depression. Hence, this issue is extremely important to look upon as the current youngsters is our malicious future. So, via this dashboard, we can create an awareness upon the importance of mental health not only for youngsters but also for everyone in this world.
Today I'm going to talk about objectives. The first objective we do this mental health survey is to diagnose mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, postnatal depression, eating disorders, and psychotic illness. The second objective is to differentiate between mental and physical health problems. And the third objective is to assess a person refers because of problems at school, work, and home. Each person has their mental health according to places. So this survey will help them in a good way.
Hi guys, I'm SUBRAMANIAM and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use BI desktop to create a dashboard using Excel document. So today I'll be using Excel document which is regarding to our survey, which is mental health survey. So I'll be using the Excel document to show the tutorial of how to create a very good desktop for your project. First of all, you should have a complete survey or complete Excel document which contains 100 data to make your dashboard more clearly and more easy to understand. After completely having an Excel document which contains 100 data, you should import the document to our BI desktop. So how to do it? So open your BI desktop, there will be a display showing something like this, and there will be an option which is import data from Excel. Click to the option and there will be a pop-up showing that the optional document that you are having in your PC. So on the pop-up right side below, you should click all files so that the BI desktop accepts all kind of files, and you can search for your Excel document that you want to create a data for a desktop for it. So once you select the Excel document that you're going to create in desktop, so there will be a pop-up which is connecting so that the data are processing to be ready. The next pop-up will be showing that the data that you're having in your Excel document, which is contained with rows and columns. So you need to click at the button in the right bottom to load. After clicking the load button, there will be also a process of loading the data to the BI desktop. After successfully loading it, there will be a pop-up which is tick with a tick symbol showing that survey about mental health which is contained 110 records. After successfully importing the data to our BI desktop, there will be on the right hand side, there will be a field option which is contains our data inside of it. So inside of the survey about mental health, you should click that small arrow button there so that there will be a drop down of the survey or about the data have been collected in the Excel document. and this will be the view after you importing your data from an Excel document. And now we're going to go to the main part, which is creating a very creative dashboard. So first of all, I'm just going to give a simple explanation about the data we have in the right hand side. So the normal data which is having with the boxes and the name, which is that is the data which is the sub data which is of the main topic. And you can see at the bottom of it have been highlighted, which is that is the overall of the survey, which is content with the symbol with something like this. So that is content of the connection of all the data. So every data that you are creating with the pie chart, bar chart and all kind of chart, you should connect the data with that data, because the connection between all the data is contains this kind of symbol. Okay, let's get started to create our new chart. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna start with doing pie chart. Okay, on your right hand side you can see a visualization option, which is contains small symbols of types of charts. So I'm gonna start doing with pie chart. So the pie chart symbol will be a very small circle thing. So click on it and they will be displaying a blur kind of pie chart. So all you need to do is you need to go to your data section and select two data. So I'll be selecting the first data from my data section, and I'll be connecting to the data as I said previously. And we select the two data, and you can see at the left hand side they will be displaying the data. And yeah, that's it. That's the way how to create a data. And wait, are you not satisfied with the data colors in the chart? You can also change it by clicking in data visualization. In format tool there will be data color. You can click on the data and you can select whatever color you want to put. Wait, what? Is that so easy? Yes, creating dashboard using BI desktop is really so easy. So let's look how to use creating a dashboard using bar chart. So as usual, you just repeat the same method as you done for the pie chart. So all you need to do is go to the visualization, click at the bar chart option, and there will be displaying a bar chart blur, bar chart picture, and you need to click the second option of our data, which is page, and connect to the main, which is overall how do we rate. And there you go, a very beautiful bar chart data also will be displaying over there. So that's the method you really need to repeat for the rest of the chart that you want to create, which is for donut chart and map chart and all kind of charts. Is that so easy? So let's look at the finalized picture that we have created all the data. To identify this will be the first chart, second chart, third chart. You need to create a border to make it so arrangedly correct. So to create border, you should do is click the first pie chart that we have created. On your right hand side there will be visualization option, which below it you will be having a format tool, which is it symbolizes like a painting tool. So below it there will be drop downs which is show border. Click at the border option and click on button, which is it will be in off, so you should on the button, and you can also see there will be a border in black color. So it's your choice, you want to change color. Below it you have color option that you wanted to change the color. So repeat the same method for every chart you have created. So this chart contains 10 charts. So for each 10 chart I have created a border with pink color theme. Successfully we have added the border for each and every chart that we have created. So yet it's not too attractive. To make it more attractive, you can also add background colors for each and every chart that you have created. So how to do it? So remain the same step that we did for border. Go to visualization, go to formatting tools. There will be background color. So click on at the background color, and you can also change the color with what color you want. I have chosen pink color, so it will go so pinkish. So each and every chart I have remained the same step to create a background color. And here you go, the output after inserting background color for each and every chart that we have created. Wait a minute, something is missing. Where's our title of the dashboard? Okay, to create a creative dashboard title, I'm going to insert a shape. On top of shape, I'm going to insert the title. So how to insert shape on a BI desktop? Okay, let's go. First of all, you're going to click at insert option. Then there will be a shape. On the shape, you just click on the shape. There will be a drop down which is showing many types of shapes. And I'm going to click on rectangle shape. And the rectangle shape will be displaying on the desktop place. And you just make it, I'm going to make it longer, and I'm going to put it on the top to show that it's a title base. After successfully adding the shape and change the color, so now I'm going to insert the title. How we going to insert the title? At the same option, format shape, there will be an option that text. So you need to, on the text, there will be drop down options such as text, font color, text size, font family. So all you need to do is, at the text portal, you need to click the title of your dashboard. As mine is dashboard survey about mental health. Click on that, type in the text box that your title, and you can also change the font color which is displaying or below over it. So I change the font color to black, and I just increase my text size into 19. So, and my font family, I choose Comic Sans MS, and then here you go, the display of the title that I have created for my dashboard. Yes, finally we successfully have created a dashboard using BI desktop, and that's all from me, I guess so. And next data visualization will be explained by Suhanthini Manugar. Bye bye.
So now let me explain you all about our data visualization. As you can see our dashboard, here we first chart we have added overall how would you rate your mental health by have you ever been heartbroken. For this chart we applied pie chart, and this is the result of this data. The maximum amount we got for this data is once. This chart shows the results clearly among the rest. For the second one, we applied overall how would you rate your mental health by how often do you experience anger. We use overall how would you rate your mental health for axis X, and how often do you experience angry for axis Y. For this we use bar chart, and it makes an accurate result. Next, overall how would you rate your mental health by gender. We applied donut chart for this. This brings a clear result. This result shows females are the most affected one in the mental health. Later on, overall how would you rate your mental health for axis X by what is your marital status for axis Y. This shows unmarried people are having a high number of mental health issues. For this we use a bar chart. The fourth one will be overall how would you rate your mental health by year. For this we applied donut chart. This shows most of the people are having mental health issues in 2022. Then we create a data how would you rate your mental health by age. This bar chart shows maximum 20 age people are having these mental issues. Next, for this we use pie chart for overall how would you rate your mental health by during the past 4 weeks, and had any problem with your work or daily life due to any emotional problem such as feeling depressed, sad or anxious. This chart says majority of them are having mental health issues in past 4 weeks. Then we use overall how would you rate your mental health by have you ever been diagnosed with a mental disorder before. This chart shows most of them not have been diagnosed by any mental health disorder. Later on, overall how would you rate your mental health by time span. We use a bar chart for this, and then the last one is overall how would you rate your mental health by drop the time stamp of time you have filling this form. For this we implemented a pie chart. Thank you. That's all from me.